Alright, I'm doing an unboxing of the Raycon Starship E70 Pros. They're a wireless headphone device. This is everything that you get. I just went ahead and did the whole layout just like this, so it's easier for me to hold my phone and record. But yeah, this is everything that you get in the package. This is the front of the box. I got the black edition. As you can see right there, they have all different types of colors. You just gotta check out the website, Raycon.com. And if you don't know why it's named Raycon, it's actually named after Ray J, the singer. This is his product. This is his headphone. He has his own headphone line. And yep, this is the layout right here. You got this little carrying bag, your manual, your quick start guide. And they include this little cable right here, and then all your different types of earbuds, stuff like that, etc. And to the headphones are right here. That's what they look like. They got a little ray in it. Just hold it right here, and they're power on. I haven't charged them yet, but they do have a little charge in them. Yeah, I listened to them for a second. They sound pretty good. And this is the actual charging case for it. It's pretty cool. It's just kind of like the AirPods for the iPhone. Just sit the headphones in there and close it. Then it has the place where you plug in the cable at for them to charge. I don't know if anything on the outside will illuminate to say that it's fully charged or not. I haven't got that far into this. I just got them this morning from the post office, so I don't know. But yeah. And the reviews for these are pretty good. I mean, they're 5-star. You know, they're a pretty new product, so I'm pretty excited to try these out. This is going to be my third wireless headphone. So this is actually a true wireless headphone because there's no cable. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. So if you're interested in this product, you can go to Raycon.com and you can check them out for yourself there.